Hyperliquid is your decentralized exchange powered on its own blockchain. Learn how to use Tealstreet with this powerhouse of a tool. First, connect your crypto wallet of choice to Hyperliquid. Then, hover over the More drop-down menu and click on API. To start, give your API key a name. Then, head over to the Address of API Wallet text box and click on Generate. Keep this API address stored for later. Click Authorize API Wallet. Set the amount of days you would like this API key to be valid for. Copy your private key and keep it somewhere secure. Then, authorize this API key with your crypto wallet. Back on Tealstreet, head over to the API Keys section and click on New Account. Choose Hyperliquid from the Exchange drop-down menu. And give your API key a name. To find your main wallet address, head back to Hyperliquid and copy the wallet address you've used to connect to Hyperliquid. Paste your API address generated in Hyperliquid. And finally, paste your private key. Click Add. And now you're all set and ready to start trading with Tealstreet. If you enjoy using Tealstreet and would like to help support ongoing development, please consider using one of our exchange referral links.